In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a portrait cartoon photo in Canva using the Magic Media AI tool. This is the fastest and easiest way to turn your normal photo into a cartoon-style image. Whether you want a Disney-style look, a 3D cartoon face, anime vibes, or even a Pixar-inspired portrait. The best part is, you don't need any design experience at all. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Canva tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open Canva in your browser or desktop app and log into your account. Once you're inside Canva, click on Create a Design. The size you choose doesn't really matter for this effect. You can select something like an Instagram post, A4 document, or even a custom size. Since we're focusing on creating the cartoon portrait itself, any canvas size will work fine. After your blank design opens, go to the left-hand toolbar and scroll down until you find Apps. Click on Apps, and inside the Apps section, look for Magic Media. This is Canva's built-in AI image generation tool. Click on Magic Media to open it. Inside Magic Media, make sure you select the Image option, then click on Generate an Image. This is where the AI will create your cartoon portrait. Now it's time to upload your photo. Click on Upload Image and choose a clear portrait photo from your computer. For best results, use a high-quality image where your face is clearly visible and well-lit. The better the original image, the better your cartoon result will look. Once your image is uploaded, you'll need to choose or type in a style. This is where you decide what kind of cartoon effect you want. You can type prompts like cartoon portrait, Disney-style portrait, 3D cartoon face, anime portrait, caricature style, or Pixar style. You can also experiment by adding extra details like vibrant colors, soft lighting, detailed background, or studio lighting to make the result even better. After entering your preferred style, click on Generate. Canva's AI will now process your image and create several cartoon versions based on your prompt. This usually takes just a few seconds. When the results appear, you'll see multiple variations of your cartoon portrait. Take a moment to review them carefully. Some might look more realistic, while others may be more exaggerated or artistic. Click on the one you like the most, and it will automatically be added to your design canvas. From here, you can resize the image, adjust its position, or even add a background. You can go to the Elements tab to add shapes, gradients, or decorative backgrounds. You can also add text, effects, or filters to enhance the overall look. If you want a clean profile picture, you can remove the background using Canva's Background Remover tool, especially if you're using Canva Pro. And that's it! You've successfully created a portrait cartoon photo in Canva using Magic Media. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and gives you professional-looking results in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and AI design tutorials. Let me know in the comments what cartoon style you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.